Hello everyone, I am Aravind Sarkar, student of BSc in Prosthetics and Orthotics, third year Bangladesh Health Professional Institute CRP. Today I am going to show the fabrication process of the thumb Spica Splint with Orfit, which is low temperature thermoplastic material. Thumb Spica splints are used in different conditions to immobilize the movement of thumb for better healing. One of the main indications for thumb Spica splint is scaphoid fracture. Now, without any delay, let's start our fabrication process. The materials and tools we need for our fabrication process are pen, paper, scissors, measuring tape, cutter knife, scale, hot water, and Orfit. Now, here are 5 main measurements to illustrate the structure of thumb spike splint on the paper. So, the measurements are circumference of thumb below the interphalangeal joint, and then we need to add 2 cm, then whip space, then the full circumference of hand and take half of it, then the length of thinner eminence and length of hypothinner eminence. Now let's see the video how we have took these measurements and transfer it on the paper. So first we will take the circumference of the thumb below the interphalangeal joint. Then we will go for the length of this web space and write it on the paper. After this, we are going to take the full circumference of the hand, and then we will take half of this circumference. Then we will go for the length of the thinner eminence. And then we will go for the hypothinner eminence. And here are our measurements. Now we will transfer this mark onto the paper. So first of all, we will draw a straight vertical line. Then we will transfer the mark of circumference of thumb below the interphalangeal joint, means 4 cm, 4 cm in each side. Then we will mark the length of the whip space. Then we will mark half of full circumference of the hand. Now we will mark the length of thinner eminence in each side, means 6 cm and 6 cm. Similarly, we will mark the length of hypothinner eminence in both sides, again 6 cm each side. Then we will connect these dots step by step. After connecting the dots, then we will mark 1 cm, 1 cm of both sides at this point. Same goes for here. Then we will connect these dots one by one. After connecting the dots, then we will cut the extra parts. After that, we will get this kind of structure. Then we will place this piece of paper on the Orfit and mark the borders. Then after marking the borders, following the shape, we will use the jigsaw and cut the structure. Now the final piece of Orfit is ready to heat and apply on the body. Then we need to heat the water on 80 to 60 degrees Celsius and need to place the Orfit sheet on the water. Then we need to wait until it gets transparent. After it turns into transparent color, then we need to apply it on the hand. In this video we can see how I am applying the sheet on the patient's hand. Then we need to attach it properly. Then we need to cut the extra parts and wait to become cool. After the device gets cooler, we need to make a cut in the hypothenial area to attaching the straps for better adjustment. Now we will use the heat gun and make the strap for the device. Then attach it, so our device is ready. Thanks for watching the video.